This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza for RV and Travel Adventures. Let me show you two batteries that I own. To the left, I have two 100 amp hour 12 volt AO lithium batteries. Very nice batteries. I've had them installed in my RV, my travel trailer, and used them for about 3 years. To the right, about 3-4 months ago, I installed the 300 amp hour Lossigy battery. It's again a 300 amp hour 12 volt battery. I've been trying to charge it, recondition it, do whatever I can, and I've been in communication with the folks at Lossigy, but it's still under 1 volt. This one, my AO lithium batteries, no issues at all. It's a very well built, high quality pair of batteries. 12 volt, 100 amp hour from the folks at AO Lithium. I give them an A+. So far, with this battery, I give it a good solid D. It does not hold a charge. It's been connected to my Victron Blue Smart charger. Different profiles. I've been trying just to get it charged any way I can, and it's not working. Again, here's my setup. Again, I've been using my modest little Walmart tester at 12 volts, and it says this is under a volt. Well, this one over here is at full charge, no issues. 14.1, 13.9, the usual. Very nice, very nice. So what battery do I recommend? I don't recommend the Lossigy at this time because it's not working. I've been in communication with the folks at Lossigy, and they said just charge it and see what happens. So I've been doing that. I'm hoping they can replace this battery. I've only had it for, again, less than 6 months, and it can't hold a charge. Just saying. This one, I've drained to 0 and no problems, and it's come back up. You know. So what do you think? Again, these are my two batteries. I'm having them charged in my studio space, and wish me luck. Wish me luck. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. What do you think of these? My situation here? What do you recommend to bring back to life from the dead my Lossigy 12 volt 300 amp hour battery? I've had no issues with my AO lithium batteries. These are A+ batteries, by the way. Again, this not so much. It's probably a D, maybe even an F if I have to drop it off at the junkyard because it's not working. I can't get it back to anywhere beyond a volt at this time. Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza talking about my batteries, and I'm in one of my studio spaces, and I charged up the AO lithium, and I just have it sitting there. I'm going to put it back in my RV pretty soon when I go back out. Right now in my RV, I have a 12 volt 30 amp hour sealed lead acid battery just sit there. All I need to do is pop up the jacks once in a while and check the lights inside once in a while, because I usually have full hookup, so I'm not doing any boondocking at all, So hope you're doing fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave your kind and friendly comments below, and check out my website specifically to this channel, rvta.myportfolio.com. And don't forget there are memberships, and you can check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/jmgarza. I love this battery here, this AO lithium. I have had 0 issues. This one, all I've had is issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.